ECM 674 is an affordable shotgun type Electret condenser microphone, which delivers excellent sound performance in field and studio productions. Super B sound quality. The ECM 674 offers an excellent sensitivity of -36 dB, 0 dB equal 1 volt per PA, and low inherent noise level of less than 17 dB SPL. This allows the microphone to be used for clear voice pickup even in noisy environments. Two-way powering. A two-way powering capability allows the ECM 674 to be driven by microphone power or batteries, making it suitable for both camcorder mounting and many other sound gathering applications. Internal, AA size battery operation. External, DC 40 to 52 volt operation. Built-in battery liquid leakage protection circuit. In general, all batteries can leak and damage the equipment they are used in. The ECM 674 prevents this by continually detecting the output voltage of the battery and shutting off the power supplied to the electric circuit whenever the voltage drops beneath a certain threshold. Features: flat and wide frequency response. The ECM 674 microphone has a flat and wide frequency response, 40 Hz to 20 kHz, and provides sound reproduction that is extremely smooth and natural. Built-in low-cut filter. The built-in two-position MV low-cut switch provides users with a simple method of reducing the effects of undesired ambient noise. The ECM 674 has been designed as a highly directional, compact, and lightweight shotgun microphone.